a waterproof backpack designed for outdoor activities like hiking and mountaineering. With the 35-liter inner space, the backpack is enough to store most items for adventure. Roll down the top after items are loaded and clip the buckle to seal it. The product is switchable between a dry bag and a backpack by attaching shoulder straps. The backpack is made of 500 denier PVC tarpaulin. Additional functions include the bungee system that secures items like pockets and shoes, the daisy chain with a buckle to hang items like flashlights, and the pockets on both sides for flasks.